I think I'd rather hang myself than buy a refrigerator.
Why is that?
Well, because first it's a refrigerator, then it's, well, we may as well stay put because it's so hard to move. And since we're staying put, we may as well get a sofa and other stuff too hard to move and a mortgage while we're at it. And before you know it, you're old and you haven't gone anywhere, and then you die. And it all began with counting ice trays.
It's funny.
I'm serious. It's a millstone.
Tom, without it, we spend hours every day buying food to replace the food that's gone bad. It's the opposite of what you're saying.
No, the opposite is freedom. A refrigerator isn't freedom.